Hello students, today we will discuss about the alternate spreadsheet apps. If you want to try out some other spreadsheet apps either for more features than Google Sheet offers, you're having some of the apps listed here. That is, you're having the Google Sheets here which you're going to use. Another option is you're having the Smart Sheet here. It is best for new ways to visualize and collaborate on data in the spreadsheet. It can be used on web, iOS and Android. Another app is Microsoft Excel. It is powerful number crunching in the most popular spreadsheet app. It is used as a number crunching. If you want to play with the numbers, then you can use this app rather than any other app that are considered. Next one is the Apple Numbers. It is a similar tool to make beautiful spreadsheets. Another alternate app is the Ether. It is the collaborative and the self-hosted spreadsheets. It is only run on the web. Another one is the LibreOffice Calc. It is a powerful spreadsheet in a free office suite. You can use it freely. Another one is the Quip spreadsheets. They're also used as a crunch numbers inside collaborative documents. You can also use it on the Mac as well as on the Windows, on the Android and the web, the iOS. Another option, you're having the Zoho Sheets. It is for creating reports from the team data. Another one is the Airtable. This is a database in a spreadsheet interface. Another one is the VisiCalc. It is the peek back at the original spreadsheet. It is you can see the oldest version of your spreadsheets. So these are some of the apps that you can use alternative as your Google Sheets or your Google Spreadsheets. You're having one more, that is you're having the Lotus 1, 2, 3. Some more apps you're having here. You're having another one, that is the Sheetster. They all are the apps. Now, if you want to create some of the templates into your spreadsheets that you're using the most of them, then you have to collaborate your spreadsheet with some of the apps that we use. And these apps are like, number one, we are having the Trello here. We are having the Asana here. You're having the Red Booth. You're having the Active Collab. These are some of the These are some of the applications that are used by you for creating the templates. If you want to create the template for the surveys, you're having the Woofu here. Another one, you're having the Survey Monkey here. This one. If you want to create the template for the emails, then you are having Gmail here. You are having the Outlook here. You are having the MailChimp here. This one. So these are some of the applications that you collaborate with your spreadsheet, and they are used to create templates for the different emails and for the different surveys and for the general forms. Thank you.